DJT Stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Trump Media stock is super simple. Yes, it is 3.7% down, and I'm not sitting here saying that I'm going to straight up start buying, but more so I'm looking for a strategic approach. By the way, all I'm sticking to is a strategy that I've refined over 31,000 videos and that I've documented everything. So with DJT specifically, I'm not gonna meditate on this opportunity, but I'm more so just gonna wait. And like what I was waiting for, this is just a decent double break. If I see like a double break from here on, it was first of all here. Actually, yeah, so this kind of is going to be recorded as a -1 hour. No problem there. Put that to the side. It's still fine for me to be long in this opportunity as long as there is a double break. And because I have like a rule to not take more than 2 opportunities in a range, this is still completely fine. So I'm just going to do this. I'm going to mark out the highs as such. And all I'll keep doing is just keep waiting, right? Unless the price gives me this double break here, I really would not care. So that's how the DJT looks like. If you want to learn how to trade stocks full time in 40 to 70 days, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars.